What's up, guys? I'm your host PSB, and you're watching Consumer Awareness. As we all know, that we are currently s- suffering a lot from this virus, but there is a good side of it. So today I will be discussing about Apple's new product, that is Apple iPhone 8. Oh, sorry, not iPhone 8. Apple's iPhone SE, which looks like iPhone 8. So today I'm going to talk about that phone. I'm currently sitting outside in my balcony, so yes, just to get the light and the effect which you are seeing right now, half lit and half dark. Let's talk about Apple iPhone SE. As you all guys know, that Apple is trying to build up their lost market. Like the Chinese vendor, they are like the Chinese OEMs such as Realme, Xiaomi, they are doing good. They are really doing good, and even Samsung is trying to produce some flagship killer phone. So Apple is kind of trying to get that market from Xiaomi, Realme, and Oppo. Even Samsung is trying to. But I do feel like this that iPhone SE2, which they have launched yesterday, it's not a great phone. Yes, the internals are awesome, flagship like. They are providing A13 Bionic, which is an excellent processor right now. Even in 2020, it is an excellent processor. But I would like to say that please don't go for it, because in India, especially in India, the price is too high. I will be sharing you the prices. There will be a screenshot, and I will be sharing you the prices. So as you can see, the prices are extremely high. If you are willing to pay that much of amount for a 4.7-inch screen, which is IPS LCD, and the resolution will be more than just HD, like 720p. It will be more than 720p. So the resolution and the quality, it is an LCD panel, IPS LCD. It's not that great. Yes, they are providing IP68 dust and water resistant protection up to 1 meters till 30 minutes, so that is good. Even they are providing wireless charging pad coil. That is also fine. But the main problem is with the screen, is with the pricing. For $399, that is not that good. Trust me, there are several companies which will give you better experience overall, especially in the screen quality and the screen resolution. Even the refresh rate, yes, the refresh rate, so called. There are better flagship phones or flagship killers in the market. Apple should learn from them. I know they are a premium brand and they are working their level best to produce some good phones, but they are the pricing strategy is not that great. They should realize that the situation is not that good around the globe, not in India, around the globe, and people are losing their jobs. Even OnePlus has increased their price. That is justified. The OnePlus 8 Pro, 8 Pro's price is $999. That is justified. In India, it would be around 70,000. So that is justified that they are providing IP68 dust and water, uh, IP68, and wireless charging is there, 30 watts, 120 hertz of fluid AMOLED display, Quad HD plus resolution. That is justified. Still, I would say the price could have been better. I don't know whether they will be able to survive or not. If you see OnePlus 8, you will feel that OnePlus 8 is better than iPhone SE2. OnePlus 8 has a 90 Hz panel. OnePlus 8 has uh, versatility of the cameras, which you will not get in iPhone SE 2, and even there are several things which you will get in OnePlus 8, but not in iPhone SE 2. So you guys need to decide which phone you should go for. Those who like the compact phone factor and those who want a flagship performing phone, but and especially the Apple branding, those who want that Apple logo, they can go for it, as people are buying 45,000, 50,000 rupees phone nowadays. So yes, they can go for it. But if you are a tech enthusiast just like me or any other tech YouTuber, or you are just like us tech YouTubers, then you are not going to like it. That's all for this video. Please stay inside your home. Yes, please stay at your home. Don't try to go outside, and be safe. Coordinate with the government. Help the government by staying at home. Till then, peace out.